What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name's Danielle. Today I'm going to be doing, honestly, like the largest haul video I've probably ever done in my entire life, and that's saying something. So I've been doing a lot of online shopping. It's a thing, second semester senior year, you're kind of more chill, you know. I have found the cutest online shops that are super inexpensive, and I've been getting a lot of boxes rolling in. So throughout the past few weeks, I've been filming the try-on portions as the packages have been coming in, because I know you guys really like try-on hauls a lot more, so I wanted to do that so you guys can really see all the clothes on my body and kind of how I style them, because I kind of end up styling them in the video as well. So it's kind of an all-in-one like outfit ideas and haul and try on kind of deal. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. The next few items are going to be from fashionnova.com. So the first thing from fashionnova.com, I got this and I'm absolutely in love with it. It's like a sweater dress kind of deal. I love the way it fits. I love the color gray. I like how it's like a little bit of a wider neck, so if I want to, I can be all like, hey, what's up? Next from Fashion Nova is this top. It's like a light pink kind of crop top deal. I really like it. It's actually really comfy, and I kind of like this crisscross detailing. I just thought it was super flattering and just a little bit more feminine. Then I got these pants because clearly I don't have enough black ripped jeans. I really wanted ones with holes in the knee, but I didn't want just the little slit. These are kind of like a little bit bigger, so that when you're standing normally, it's not just like a little random slit and you're like, what the heck? But yeah, I really like these. They fit really well and they're super soft and like stretchy. Next up from Fashion Nova, we have this cropped turtleneck, because I have so many turtlenecks, but I like this one because it's a little bit more flowy and baggy, but it's cropped. It's super comfortable. Also from Fashion Nova, we have this top. I love off-the-shoulder tops. I think they're super flattering. I really like this. It's like a light pink and white striped top. I like this top. I think I could wear it with like some white shorts or something and some gladiator sandals. I love this top. It fits so wonderfully. It's a little bit cropped, a little bit of a higher neck. It's like this striped. It's very mod looking. I love it. I think it looks great with some high-waisted pants and like some white Vans or Converse on the weekends. You know, I feel like it's kind of playful and more youthful, but at the same time, it's like very mature and like high fashion. So I really like this top, and it was super inexpensive. Clearly I'm into gray sweatshirts, but this one's a little bit more unique. Well, first of all, I love the baggy sleeves. It's just super comfy and it gives it more of that slouchy look. But so it's got this kind of deal right here. So when it comes in the mail, it comes like this and you're like, what? And then I was like, oh right, I ordered it. You're supposed to like tie it like that, kinda. I don't really know if I'm tying any of these right. I'm really into the tie shirts, I guess, right now. But I thought this was cute for like the airport and such, because I still like to look cute and presentable at the airport, so I can wear this with like some high-waisted leggings. The look, it's a boutique in South Tampa. I love it a lot. The first item I got from the Look Boutique is this top. As many of you guys know, I have to wear collared shirts when I go to school. So this one has a collar, and it's got like this like gray and white striped kind of deal. But my favorite part, boom, it has frayed ends. So it's like, yes, I'm classy and I follow the dress code, but I got a little frayed edges, so it makes it a little bit more edgy. Next up is this top, also from the Look. I just wanted some more white shirts, but I have so many white v-necks, and I just thought this was unique. It had this little, you know, white bar kind of deal there, and I kind of like how it looks with my necklaces underneath. I don't know, what do you guys think? Then I got this top, and I absolutely love it. I'm not a huge fan of cold shoulder tops personally, but I thought this one was okay, and I really, really liked it. Again, I could tuck it in the front, and I could just wear some brown ankle boots or something with it. I just like the dimension that the sleeves have, and it's just like very classic and elegant, but still a little flirty and fun, and I really like it. So this is a dress, and it's actually like a midi dress, so it's kind of like tight here, which I just like this kind of part. I've never really worn it or gotten a dress like this before, so it's like a midi dress. It's almost a maxi for me since I'm 5'3" or 5'4", I guess you could say. But yeah, I really like it. I just thought it was like good for like running errands. The last thing I got from the Look Boutique is this dress. I love it. It's just super happy, and I feel like it's good for like college game days and all that fun stuff, and just living in Florida. These dresses are so wonderful. Blue and white striped. I love it. I love it a lot, and I'm really happy in it. I just feel fun. The next few items I'm showing are going to be from Romwe.com. They have super inexpensive, affordable, cute, trendy, amazing clothing. I will have the link to them down below, as well as all the links to the clothes from this portion. First thing from Romwe is this top. I love it. It's a sweater, and it's got this little like embroidery right here. It's just striped. I love it. It's so comfy, and it's oversized, and it's got like, oh, I'm like flying. And I like how it has a nice little kind of higher neck there. I can wear it to school because we have to wear collars or turtlenecks, so this is perfect. It's super comfy, super chic, again with the tuck in the front. Also from Romwe, I got this boyfriend oversized denim jacket that I'm in love with already, and I've had it for like a few hours now. It's super great. It's super oversized. I just like how it's a little bit more boxy, so you can kind of just like throw it over, and it's got this like, you know, boxier feel. Also from Romwe.com, I have this sweater. I love it, and it also has frayed ends. I just think that adds a little bit of a beachy, kind of more bohemian feel. But I love this cream color. It's super flattering, super fun. I like how the sleeves are longer, so I can go like this. Another top, it's kind of the same with the higher neck, and then the baggier sleeves. This is from Romwe.com as well. It's just like intense, like grid checker, or not checker, just like grid lines. I really like it. Again, super chic, and it's super comfortable. Let me tell ya. Also from Romwe.com, I have this green colored sweater that is super soft, and I like how it has the crisscross all up and down. It's like a shoelace kinda. But yeah, it's kind of more cropped, so I'm wearing it with some black high-waisted jeans. But it is super soft. Like, wow, I'm so comfortable and warm, and it feels good. Perfect for this time of year when it's like transitioning from like winter to spring. Also from Romwe.com, I got these super cool studded ankle boots that I have been loving this trend lately. I've seen it a lot on Instagram and such, and so I found these on Romwe, and they were super inexpensive. Again, link down below. I love them. I've been seeing this top all over Instagram and just blogs and all that fun stuff as well. It's like a blue or gray, it's like a gray and white striped top, or maybe it's blue, honestly, I don't know. But I love it. I think it's awesome. It's got this bow in the front, so you just tie it and it cinches, and I love the puffy sleeves. It is super flattering. This shirt may not be everyone's style, but I thought it was really cute, and I just wanted to try out something new, because on their website, like, I don't know, I just find super inexpensive trend tops that I want to try, but I don't want to spend like $70 on, so, or even more than that. So it's like this like baby doll kind of top. It's a collared kind of deal. It's just got like this bow. Like, I can wear this to school if I want, if I'm feeling super preppy. I don't know yet. But I don't know. I genuinely really like it. I feel like a little girl, but at the same time I kind of like it. And lastly, from Romwe.com is this oversized like cardigan jacket thing. I have something kind of similar to this, and I've been wearing it all the time. So I really wanted to get this one, also from Romwe. It's like this brown color, and I feel like it's perfect for when I go to the airport, because I'm always looking for cute airport outfits, because I don't know, I'm just crazy. This is perfect for like living in Florida, because it's like, if I'm in class and I'm cold, it's like okay, but like I'm not gonna like sweat as soon as I step outside, because it's like the perfect warmth. The next items are from NAKD.com, one of my new favorite online stores. I'll have their link down below. Look, I can just hold it like a bag, but I ordered it online. I'm so excited about these things, guys. So first off, from NAKD.com, I got this top. I really like halter tops. I think they're super flattering. And I really liked this color. I think it's kind of more luxurious looking. It's this beautiful taupe color. I don't know. I just really like it, and I can't wait to wear it. Also from NAKD.com, I got these high-rise, boyfriendish, momish jeans. I've been wanting a pair forever, and I haven't been able to find a pair that fit me the right way, and I really like the way these fit, and they're just a light wash. I just don't have any that literally don't have rips. So this is what the back looks like. Super mom, yes. This is what they look like. I really, really like them. I feel very trendy in them. Here are the bottoms. They're kind of more of a straight leg, so if I wanted to, I could roll them up a little bit, or just kind of leave them for more of a loose fit. Don't worry, I haven't finished it yet, so what you have to do, it's like a front tie kind of deal. I don't really know. I'm assuming I just kind of go like that, maybe? I don't know. I'll play around with it, but I really like the look of this. It gives it a little bit more dimension, and it can also define your waistline a little bit. But yeah, it's just like a black shirt, but with this little fun little thing. It's more of a blouse material. It's not like t-shirt material, but I really like it, and I've seen it all over Instagram, so I had to get on the trend. And now we have Alo Yoga. I love their workout wear. I've never tried it before, but I like the look of it, so I'm going to try it for myself. From Alo Yoga, I got this set. Well, it's not a set. I just kind of made it a set. This is called the Jubilee Bra, I believe, and it's just like a workout top, but I like it because I don't feel like I have to wear a sports bra and then a tank top. It's just like this, but I really like the back, and I love this mesh detailing right here. I feel very pulled together, and it's just really comfortable. And then I'm wearing these leggings that I also got from Alo. They say Alo right there, or Alo. I don't really know how to say it, but I actually got inspired to get an outfit like this because I saw Kendall Jenner, like an outfit of hers, like just getting out of a workout, but she was wearing an outfit like this, so like after you work out, you can like put on some cool sneakers and some cool shades and a hat, and you can like go run errands or like do whatever you want. So I really like that idea, and I think this is super chic and fun. So yeah, I really like this. The next items I'm going to be showing you guys are from Shein.com. You guys know I love that place. Super discounted, trendy stuff. All the links to these clothing will be down below. So the first thing I have here is this cropped off the shoulder black top. I just showered, that's why my hair is wet. But I really like this. It's super flattering, I feel like, and it goes with a lot. Then I also got these shorts, and they're just like blue jean shorts. I like how they're high-waisted for one thing. I think they're really comfortable, and I think they fit really well. However, I did not realize when I got them. Hi! Whole kind of distress thing in the back. I know it's a trend. I haven't really gotten on it. I'm not like the biggest fan of it, but I might try and work around it because I really like how these shorts look. Next we have these jeans, which I've been wanting a pair like these forever. I think they're super cool. They're like the two-tone, so in the middle it's like the light wash, and then on the outside it is the dark wash. I really like them. They're kind of more of a straight leg with a little bit of fraying at the bottom, but I think they're super cool and just great to wear with like crop tops and some white Vans. Just super like fun, like one of the guys kind of do. Okay, I hate myself for saying that, but you know what I mean. Next is this top. Clearly there's a blue and white striped trend in this video, or just like striped shirt trend, but I really like this. I've seen a lot of fashion bloggers wear it, like a baby doll top. I don't know, maybe I look like a total toddler, but like honestly I don't really care. It's really comfortable. It's really happy. Next up is this dress. I love it. I'm really just into this flowy, like fun material. But yeah, it's just like a cute little shift dress kind of deal, but it's got the cold shoulder on either side. I think it is perfect. I can just throw on some sunglasses and some cute sandals or booties and go out for the day with some girls, or this is great for brunch. I don't know, I love it. I just feel so like happy and like I can move. This sweatshirt gives me total Brandy Melville vibes. That's why I got it. I really like it. It's super soft, and I really love this like red, white, and blue striped kind of deal. It's also kind of like Tommy Hilfiger or something. But yeah, it's just, again, another simple sweatshirt that I thought I could wear with jeans. I'm really into denim right now, if you guys can't tell by this haul. So there's two things that I want to show you guys. So first is this bralette that I'm wearing under this super cool mesh top that I've seen a lot, and I really like the look of it, but I don't want to just wear like a straight up like super skimpy bralette underneath, so I have this like lace bralette, and I think it looks a lot more classy, and it looks really good with this over top of it. Please don't mind the gray on gray. I didn't really mean to do that. But I also got this gray coat. It's very similar to the tan one that I showed you guys already. But I really like it. Again, I just like stuff like this so I can just throw over an outfit. Or like if I'm at rehearsal and I'm just cold, I can throw this over and it still makes your outfit kind of chic. And it's great for the airport, let me tell you. I literally look like a bumblebee, but whatever. This is the last thing from Shein.com. It's this mustard colored sweater. I like it. It's got slits on either side. Again, it's just super comfortable and great to throw over outfits. Great for layering and great for the springtime. It's just great. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to subscribe down below. I'm really trying to get to 300,000 subscribers, and that would just be the coolest thing ever. Also, make sure to click right here and here for my last 2 videos. Definitely go check that out. And subscribe, obviously, to my channel, and follow me on all of my social media. I've been using Instagram like crazy. I just always have been obsessed with Instagram and Twitter. I'm always tweeting you guys, tweeting inspirational quotes, so definitely make sure to go do that. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys very soon for my next one. Bye-bye!